Salut tout le monde et bienvenue à Language Fluent. Je suis Ria, votre enseignante de la langue française ici et aujourd'hui on va commencer avec les nationalités. That is the nationality in English. Alright, so before starting, I must tell you something very interesting that every country has their own countrymen, and according to their countrymen, each and every person is being called according to their nationality. So suppose, for example, I live in India, so I will be called as Indian. I'm a girl, but still I will be called as Indian. But if a boy stays in India, that too will be called, that person too, and that boy too will be called as Indian. But it is very interesting to know that in French everything is masculine or either feminine. Okay, so everything including the nationality is being categorized in masculine and feminine in French. So yes, we will be learning and we will be learning something interesting today. So let's get started. Alright, le pays, that is the country. France. What do we call France in French? La France. France is feminine country, that's why we put la before France. La France because it's feminine country. And in masculine we call it as Français. The nationality of a French boy or a French man is being called as Français. And French girl is being called as Française. Française avec E, that is with E. Okay, so with E we call a French girl as Française. Same goes to England. So now the another country we have is England. England is being called as l'Angleterre. Why we are having L apostrophe here? It's quite understood that the country is beginning with a vowel, that is A, so that's why we're putting L apostrophe with this, that L apostrophe avec A, l'Angleterre, and the masculine form of the nationality of England is Anglais. English boy is being called as Anglais, and English girl is being called as Anglaise. Alright, Japan is being called as le Japon. Japan is a masculine country, that's why we're using le, that is le avec Japon. Le Japon. And the Japanese boy or Japanese man is being called as Japonais. And the feminine form of the nationality in Japanese girl or Japanese woman is being called as Japonaise. Are you understanding something very similar in everything in feminine form? That is, they are carrying E along every nationality. Okay, so there is a similar pattern everywhere, so we will follow that. So alright, let's get back to the topic. China is being called as La Chine. China is a feminine country, that's why we put La avec Chine. Alright, so the boy that is Chinese, the Chinese boy or Chinese man is being called as Chinois. And the feminine form of the nationality is being called as Chinese girl or Chinese woman is being called as Chinoise. Italy is being called as l'Italie. Y apostrophe, we know that A and I is also a vowel in French. L'Italie. Italien. The masculine form, Italian boy, l'Italien. The Italian girl is being called as Italienne. Alright, so let's move forward with some more nationalities. So now we have our country, India. So India is being called as l'Inde in French. L'Inde. Andiyan, 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 Andiyan. Andiyan in feminine form, that is a Indian girl, is being called as Andiyan. Alright, so United States, that is America, is being called as Les Etats-Unis, Les Etats-Unis, Les Etats-Unis. Please mind the pronunciation, Les Etats-Unis. America, American boy is being called as America. American, American girl is being called as American, American. Alright, so yes, now we have Canada. Canada, Le Canada, Le Canada, Le Canada, Canadien, Canadien, Canadien. Canadian boy is being called as Canadien, Canadian, Canadian girl, Canadian, Canadian. Australia, Australia is being called as L'Australie, L'Australie, because it's var, that's why we are putting L apostrophe here. L'Australie, L'Australie, Australia, 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 Australian, Australian, Australian. Australian girl is being called as Australian. Mexico is being called as Le Mexique, Le Mexique, Le Mexique. Mexica, 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 Mexican, Mexican. Alright, let's make few sentences with these nationalities. Suppose I'm an Indian girl, or we can take Canada as well. I suppose I'm a Canadian girl and I want to tell someone my nationality in French. So how would I tell? Je suis Canadienne. Je suis Canadian. Why? Because I am a girl and the feminine form of Canadian girl is Je suis Canadienne. And if a boy is standing in front of me and he is Australian boy, how will he tell his nationality? He will tell like Je suis Australien, Je suis Australien, Je suis Australien. So this is how we will make few sentences with nationalities and we can proceed with that. So yes, thank you so much for staying tuned with the video. That's all for today, and yes, if you really like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon in the video to stay tuned with the more updates of the video in Language Fluent. And also, if you want to register for the full course, you can go into the description box right below in my video. You can fill the form and also you can contact on the numbers given below. And yes, if we are also providing interpretation and translation services, you can contact us for that as well. Thank you so much. Au revoir.